No matter what type of business you're running, documents play a crucial role in your operations. They're used to pay your employees, purchase materials, invoice customers, label products, provide terms and conditions, and more. They need to be distributed via mail, email, and on demand. So why not use a solution that is trusted by the leaders of every industry? DocOrigin is the embedded technology behind some of the most advanced business solutions for telecommunications, insurance, manufacturing, healthcare, banking, and government. DocOrigin was built by the creators of Adobe Central Output, encompassing the speed and reliability you expect along with the most innovative features on the market today. DocOrigin offers a solution that fits any business, any size, any industry. Our customers include some of the biggest and best companies such as AT&T and McKesson. A study by InfoTrend showed that transactional documents are read by 90% of your recipients, thus making them the ideal vehicle for delivering relevant marketing or messaging. You can create and manage data-driven campaigns and messaging to upsell products and services or notify recipients of critical information. Let's look at a few examples. You could insert targeted ads based on any information such as customer's purchase, industry, region, and dates. DocOrigin allows you to switch contents, logos, addresses, and even color schemes. Or enhance your documents with color-coded charts to show if they are within their plan. Or you can even change the look and the feel of the campaign by changing the ad targeted for business accounts versus family accounts. Switch languages back and forth, all in one dynamic run with a single master template. Alert your homeowners that their insurance application was placed on hold until the roof was replaced, since it's more than 30 years old. Our rules-based feature allows you to respond immediately to effectively communicate important messaging such as your COVID-19 policy without depending on your IT department. You can streamline your shipping process by printing hazardous labels to be placed outside the box, including a shipping return label to simplify the process for you and your customers, or inserting ads and hazardous warnings under any line item of your packing slip. Or inform your employees of upcoming events such as time management workshops, a charity fun run, or open enrollment. Or you can pull external documents that are provided by your compliance department or government directly into your output to eliminate the need for conversion. To see any of these highlighted features of the DocOrigin solution, contact us today for a demonstration to see how we can help your business. Call us at 1-678-408-1245 or email us at info@eclipsecorp.us or visit us on the web at eclipsecorp.us.